Good afternoon. Jim Wades, WB8SIW. During a recent online discussion, a radio amateur had expressed some concern that his Vibroplex bug had a bend in the pendulum. Interestingly, this bug was just donated to the Morris Telegraph Club for use in a museum exhibit, and I noticed that it also had a bend in the pendulum, which you can probably see here in the video. And I thought it might be a good opportunity to address his concern and explain that a bend in the pendulum does not affect the serviceability of the bug. So as with any bug, when you set it up, you want to start by adjusting the right stop screw here, okay, so that the end of the pendulum rests gently against the damper. So again, start by adjusting the right stop screw so that the end of the pendulum rests gently against the damper. This becomes your baseline adjustment. Then you can adjust the left stop screw so that there is an approximate 11 to 15 thousandths of an inch gap. Okay. Likewise, adjust the dash contact for an equivalent 11 to 15 thousandths of an inch gap. Okay. Now we have our spacing set up for optimum performance. Then you can adjust the spring tension for both the dash side as well as the dip retractive spring here for just enough tension to ensure snappy operation to prevent split dots and other artifacts in transmission. You don't want to have a lot of spring tension on the bug. Okay, these are the basic adjustments. Now there's some other adjustments that impact the bug. I'm not going to address them in this short video. This video is mainly just to address the issue of a bend in the pendulum and some other concerns that some people have expressed. But as you can see, once it's set up properly, it's a good performing bug. And I'll send just a bit of text. So the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog's back, as you can see, it sends good, perfectly readable code. It performs well, and again, really the proper use of a bug starts with proper adjustment. And doesn't matter what type of bug, the same rules kind of apply. And so hopefully this helps. I'll say 73 to all. Thank you for watching.